Students, our third question is write the place name and place value of each digit in the following numbers. Followed. Now that means the number is given here, and in this number we have to write the place and place value of each digit. Understood? So here the first sub question given here, children, is number given is 35,705. Okay, 35,705. So what you have to do is, children, with the help of pencil or with the help of pencil or pen, you have to write on the top of each digit, you have to write their corresponding place value of each digit, right? Then you have to make 3 horizontal column. In the first column, you are going to write it, give the heading as digit. Second column, you will give the heading as place. And in the third column, you will give the heading as place value, as you can see on the screen. Followed. Now the next what you have to do is, children, you have to write the digits starting from 3, then leave one line, then write the next digit as 5, then leave one line, then write the next digit 7, then leave one line, then write 0, then last digit 5, one below the other, by leaving 1 or 2 line. Okay, then children, we have to start writing the place and place value for the each digits. Now the first digit here is, children, 3. 3 is in which place, children? It is in the 10,000s place. Okay, now in the place that is in the middle column, in front of digit 3, you will write as 10,000s. Okay, children, that means 3 is in the 10,000s place. Now in the place value column, okay, now in the place value column, what you will write? Since 3 is in the 10,000s place, so 3 into 10,000 is 30,000. So you will write 30,000 figures in front of digit 3 in the place value column. Okay, children. Now the next digit is 5. This digit 5 is in which place, children? It is in the thousands place. So in the place column, in front of digit 5, write thousands in words. Okay, write thousands in words. Now in the place value column, that is in the third column, what is the place value, right, your children, for digit 5? Since 5 is in the thousands place, so its place value would be 5,000. So write 5,000 figures in front of digit 5 in the place value column. Now next digit is 7. So this digit 7 is in which place, children? It is in the hundreds place. So now in the middle column, that is in the place column, in front of digit 7, you will write it as hundreds. Okay. Now since 7 is in the hundreds place, so the place value of 7 is, children, it is 700. So you will write 700 in front of digit 7 in the place value column. Followed. Now next digit is 0. 0 is in the tens place. As I have told you earlier, if 0 is present in any place, its place value is 0 only. So now in front of 0 in the place value column, you will write it as 0. Clear, children? Now the last digit is 5. Now this 5 is the place value of 5 is, children, it is units. Okay, digit 5 is in the units place, so therefore its place value is 5. So you are going to write 5 in the place value column in front of digit 5. Okay, children? So in this way, as it is shown, children, you are going to copy it in your notebook. Maintain neatness in your classwork. Followed. Now our next question, sub question, children, is the number given here is 7,82,899. Okay, the number given is 7,82,899. Now children, what you have to do is, as usual, you will write on the top of each digit, you will write their corresponding place values. Okay. Now the next step what you have to do is answer. For the answer, you will draw 3 vertical column. Okay, 3 vertical column. Followed. So in the first column, you will write it as digit. You will write it as digit. And in the second column, you will write it as place. You will write it as place. And in the last column, that is third column, you will write it as place value. Okay, children? First column is digit, second column is place, and third column is place value. Right? After that, what you have to do, children? In the digit column, write all the digit mentioned number, that is first digit is 9. Then write by leaving the line, children, then only it will look neat and legible. If you write like that continuously, it will not look neat. Okay, so first write, then leave 1 or 2 line as per your wish, then write 8. Then the next digit is 2, then again leave 1 or 2 line, then write the next digit is 8. Then again leave 1 or 2 line, then write digit 9. Then again leave the line and then write the digit 9. Now children, when you have written the on the top of each digit the place value of the digit, you will see that digit 7. Okay, now the digit 7 is in which place, children? It is in the lakhs place. Okay, so now in the place column, in front of lakhs, you will write as lakhs. Okay, so that means 7 is in which place, children? It is in the lakhs place, right? So the place value of 7 will be 7 lakh. So now write 7 lakh in figures in the place value. Followed. 7 lakhs in figure, you have to write it in the place value column for 7. Followed. Now the next digit is, children, it is 8. Right? Now this digit 8 is in which place, children? It is in the 10,000s place. Okay. Now in front of digit 8, in the place column, write 10,000s. Okay, children, write 10,000s. Now this 8 is in the 10,000s place. Okay, children. So now in place value, what it will come? It will be 80,000. So write in figures as 80,000. Followed, children. Now the next digit is 2. Okay. Now this 2 is in which place, children? It is in the thousands place. So now in the place column, in front of 2, you will write it as thousands. So that means the place value of 2 would be, it is 2000. So write in the place value column as 2000 in figures in front of digit 2. Okay, hope this is clear. Now the next digit is 8. Now this digit 8, now it is in which place, children? It is in the hundreds place now. So now this digit 8 is in the hundreds place. So in the place column, in front of digit 8, you will write it as hundreds. In words, hundreds. Okay. Then since 8 is in the hundreds place, so its place value will be how much, children? It is 800. It is 800. So write 800 in the place value column in the figures. Okay. Now the next digit is 9. Here the 9 is in which place, children? It is in the tens place. Okay. So since now write in the place column as tens in front of digit 9. Now this 9 is in the tens place. So the place value of 9 is 90. Okay. Now the last digit is 9 here. So here this 9 is in which place, children? It is in the units place. So in the place column, in front of digit 9, you will write it as units. Okay. Then and in the place value column, finally you will write, since 9 is in the units place, so its place value is 9. So children, copy in this way only, leave the lines properly, then only it will look neat and good in your classwork. Maintain neatness in your classwork. Okay. Students, our third sub question of question number 3 is, the number given here is, children, 82 lakhs 74,508. Okay. Now what you have to do is, you have to write there on the top of each digit, you must write their corresponding place value. Followed. And after that you have to make 3 vertical columns. Okay. In first column you will be writing digit, second column you will be writing place, and third column you will be writing the place value. Followed, children. Then in the digit column, now start writing the digit one by one. You have to leave the lines. Okay, children. Then only it will look neat and legible. First digit is 8, second is 2, third one you will write it as 7, next is you will write it as 4, next is 5, next is 0, next is 8. Okay, children. After entering all the digits, now observe the first digits, start from the left hand side, children. Okay. So here digit 8 is in which place, children? It is in which place? It is in the 10 lakhs place. It is in the 10 lakhs place. So in the place column, in front of digit 8, you will write it as 10 lakhs. So that means digit 8 is in the 10 lakhs. Followed. Now in the third column, in the place value column, you will write the place value of 8 is how much, children? It is in the 10 lakhs place. So place value of 8 is 80 lakhs. Okay, children? Write 80 lakhs in the place value column for the digit 8. Okay. Now the next digit is 2. Followed. Now this digit 2 is in which place, children? It is in the lakhs place. Now write in the place column, in front of digit 2, you have to write as lakhs in words. Okay. So that means the place value of digit 2 is, the digit 2 is in the lakhs place. Okay, children? Digit 2 is in the lakhs place. So if it is in the lakhs place, so its place value is how much, children? It is 2 lakhs. Now write 2 lakhs in figures in front of digit 2 in the place value column. Okay. Now the next digit is 7, children. Now 7 is in which place, children? It is in the 10,000s place. Okay. Now in front of digit 7, in the place column, write as 10,000s in words. Okay. Write as 10,000s. Followed. Now this digit 7 is in the 10,000s place. So its place value is how much, children? It is 70,000. So now write in figures as 70,000 as in front of digit 7. Okay. Now the next digit is digit 4. Now this digit 4 is in which place, children? It is in the thousands place. Okay. So since it is in the thousands place, children, so what you have to write in the place column, in front of digit 4, write as thousands. Okay. Write as thousands in words. Now in the place value column, children, now this digit 4 is in the thousands place. So that means its place value is how much? It is 4,000. Now write in figures as 4,000 in front of digit 4. Okay, children? Now the next digit is 5. Now this digit 5 is in which place, children? It is in the hundreds place. Right? So in the place column, you will write in front of digit 5, you will write it as hundreds. That means digit 5 is in which place? Hundreds place. So that means the place value of digit 5 is how much, children? It is 500. So you will write as 500 in figures in the place value column in front of digit 5. Okay. Now the next digit is 0. Now 0 is in which place, children? It is in the tens place. So in the place column in front of 0, you will write it as tens. Okay, children? Write it as tens. Now as I have told you earlier, if 0 is present in any place, its place value is 0 only. So now in the place value column, in front of 0, write as 0. Clear, children? Now the last digit is 8. Here digit 8 is in which place, children? It is in the units place. Okay. So since it is in the units place, its place value is 8. So now in the place value column, in front of digit 8, write down as in figure as 8. Okay, children? So what you have to do is you have to write by leaving a line, you have to write. Okay, then only it will look neat. Now students, our fourth question is the expanded form of the number is given. Write the number. That means here they have given the number in the expanded form. Okay, they have given in the expanded form and they want us to write the number. Children, one thing you keep in mind, though it is given in the expanded form, you will not write directly. Like for example, it is 60,000 plus 4,000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 9 is the question to you, right? So directly don't think of writing directly. direct answer, that is 64,609. Okay, most of the time you will tend to make mistake. So what you must write, how to write is, children, as you, when you observe on the screen, you'll see that how I have written the answer as, first I have written it is 60,000. Okay, when you're writing this, the numbers, children, 60,000, leave space between the digits. Okay, 60,000 first, then next is plus, then next we are adding 4,000. So when you're writing 4,000, children, see to that you write units in the units place, tens in the tens place, hundreds in the hundreds place, thousands in the thousands place, like that. Okay, you will not misplace the digits. Followed. The next is plus 600. Okay, 600. The next is 70, plus 70. Then last one is plus 9. When you observe on the screen, children, you can see that I have kept the gap between the digits. In the same way you have to write it neatly. Okay, then you have to add up everything. Followed. So how you will add, children? I have told you, when you want to add, you will start adding from the units place. You have to start from the units place. So in the units place we have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, 9. So that means 0 is don't have any value, so we write 9 as it is. Correct. The next is, we finish with the units, we come to tens. So here 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 7 is 7. So we write in 7 in the tens place. Okay. The next is, we move on to hundreds place, that is 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 6 is 6. So we write 6 in the hundreds place. Then finally next is 0 plus 4 is 4. Then we write 4 in the thousands place. Okay, children. Then finally we write 6, or we bring the 6 final to the final answer, children. So what we get? We get as 64,679 is the number. So you will write that is equals to 64,679. Is that clear, children? So you are going to write it in a neat and clear way, like how I have written in the video. Okay. Now students, our next sub-question 2 is, it is the number given in the expanded form is 9 lakhs plus 20,000 plus 7,000 plus 800 plus 5. Okay, one more time I'll read. The second question is 9 lakhs plus 20,000 plus 7,000 plus 800 plus 7. Children, again I'm telling you, you will not write direct answer. Okay, you are going to add it up. Okay, you will start adding in the right hand side, right corner. Don't add up in the middle of the page. So first you will write it as 9 lakhs. When you write 9 lakhs, leave space between the digits. Okay, so first write 9 lakhs, then plus 20,000. So when you write 20,000, write the digits to their respective place value. That means 0 should be, that means the digits should be in the proper place value. That means unit should be written in the units place, tens should be written in the tens place, likewise. Now next is plus 7,000. You have to write 7,000 by leaving the gaps. Followed. Then next is plus 800. So 800 also you write in the same way, units in the units place, tens in the tens place, and 8 in the hundreds place. Then finally we have plus 5. Okay, children. Then what we have to do? We have to add up. How you will add? You will add from the, starting from the units. So here we have in the units, we have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 is how much, children? 5. Okay, because 0 doesn't have any value. Next we move on to tens. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay. The next is hundreds place. In hundreds place we have 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0. Then plus 8. That's equals to 8. Then we write 8 in the hundreds place. The next is 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 7 is 7. And we write 7 in the thousands place in the answer. Okay. Then next is 0 plus 2 is 2. And finally we bring the 9 to the final answer. So what we got the answer as, children? We got the answer as 9,27,805. Okay, so that is equals to, you will write as, that is equals to 9,27,805 in figures. Followed? Now children, our next sub question is, the number given in the expanded form is 20 lakhs plus 3 lakhs plus 60,000 plus 9,000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 7. This is the question given to you. Okay, as I've told you earlier, you will not write direct answer since you tend to make mistake. So what you have to do is, in your notebook on the right hand side, you will start writing the numbers one by one by maintaining gaps between the digits. And also when you write the numbers one below the other, you will see that unit should be written in the units place, tens should be written in the tens place. Likewise you will write. If it is possible, then leave one line also, no problem. Okay, finally your notebook should be clear, neat. It should look neat. Followed? Because your notebooks carries marks. Notebook presentation, the how you represent the notebook, everything, it carries marks. Okay children, so let us start now our answer. We have to start the answer as, first we will write it as 20 lakhs children. Okay, we will write it as 20 lakhs. So when you write 20 lakhs children, leave gap between the digits or leave space between the digits. Now leave one line, then write plus 3 lakhs. Okay, 3 lakhs. When you write, again I'm telling you, do not misplace the digits. That means unit should be written in the units place, 10 should be in the tens place, 100 should be in the hundreds place, 1000 should be in the thousands place, 10,000 should be in the 10,000s place. Likewise you have to write. Now next is plus 60,000 plus 9,000 plus 500 plus 10. Finally we have plus 7. Then the whole we have to add it up now. Okay children, so when we how we have to add children, we have to add from the starting from the units place, then we move on to tens. Likewise we have to add, already I have showed you, right? So here we don't have any digits, we have only zeros in the units. See, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 7, that is equals to 7. So we write 7 in the units place. The next tens place may we have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, which is equals to children 1. So we write 1 in the tens place. Next we have in the hundreds place, that is 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5, which is equals to 5 in the, we write 5 in the hundreds place. Now next we move on to thousands place, that is 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 9 is 9. We write 9 in the thousands place. Now we move on to 10,000s place, that is 0 plus 0 plus 6, which is equals to 6. Then we move on to lakhs place, that is 0 plus 3 is 3. Then finally we bring the 2 to the final answer. So what we get children? We get as 23 lakhs 69,517 is the number. Okay, which is equals to 23 lakhs 69,517. You have to write it in the form of figure. Children, clear? When you are writing, leave space between the digit, and when you are adding, leave one line and add. Then only your notebook will look neat. Clear children? Now students, our next sub question is, that is fourth sub question is, the expanded number given is 7 lakhs plus 80,000 plus 4,000 plus 500. Okay children, once again let me read. The number, expanded number given is 7 lakhs plus 80,000 plus 4,000 plus 500. Followed? So how you will write children? You will not write direct answer. Followed? You will. So answer, how to write children? First you will start from 7 lakhs. So when you write 7 lakhs, you will give space between the digits. So 7 lakhs plus next is 80,000. So write 80,000. Write the correct digits in their correct place value. Okay. If you misplace the digits, you will get a wrong answer. Keep in mind. So first is 7 lakhs plus 80,000 plus 4,000. Okay. Then next is plus 500. So after adding everything, draw a line. Then you will start adding from the units. Followed children, you will start adding from the units. So in the units we have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. So we write 0 in the units place. Next is 0 plus, we finish with the units. So we moving on to tens. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. So we write 0 in the tens place. Then again in the hundreds place we have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. Okay, so we write 5 in the hundreds place. The next is thousands place we have 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. So we write 4 in the thousands place. Then next is in 10,000s place we have 0 plus 8. So 0 plus 8 is how much children? It is 8. So we write it 8 in the 10,000s place. Then finally we bring 7 here in the final answer. So what we get children? We got as 7 lakhs 84,500. Okay, what is the final answer children? Final answer is 7 lakhs 84,500. Okay, so you will write which is equals to 7 lakhs 84,500 is the final answer. Clear children? Now students, our fifth sub question is the number which is given in the expanded form is 80 lakhs plus 50,000 plus 1,000 plus 600 plus 9. Okay children, so again I am telling you, you are not going to write the answer directly. Okay, what you are going to do, towards your right hand side of your notebook, you are going to add up everything one by one. Okay, so first you have to write 80 lakhs plus then 50,000 plus 1,000 plus 600 plus 9. Okay children, so when you add up, you see to that there should be enough space between the digits. That means 800 like that you are writing 80 lakhs. So there should be space between the digits. And second thing children, when you are entering the numbers one by one, when you enter, the unit should be written in the units place only. Tens should be in the tens place. Hundred should be in the hundreds place. Likewise you have to write. You should not misplace the digit. Okay, when you misplace the digit, what will happen? Your answer will go wrong. Followed children? So after entering everything as per the place value, you have to start adding up the digits. That means you will start your addition from your units. You will start the addition from units. So in the units we have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 9. So we write it as 9 in the units place. Okay. Then in the tens place we have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. That is we get 0 in the tens place. And in the hundreds place we have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6. So we get 6 in the hundreds place. Okay. Then in the thousands place we have 0 plus 0 plus 1. And so we get 1 in the thousands place. And next is in 10,000s place we have children 0 plus 5. We get 5 in the 10,000 place. And the remaining 0 which we have in the lakhs place, we bring it down to the final answer. And finally the 8 which is there in the 10 lakhs place, we bring it down to the final answer. So we get the answer as 80 lakhs 51,609. So the number is the number after the expanded form is 80 lakhs 51,609. Followed children? So in this way, write neatly in your notebook. Followed?